In this video, we make a Nightmare Before Christmas themed Halloween tree using Funko Pop figures and other Halloween items. Stay tuned and watch us build.
So now that we have our lights and our pumpkins up, we're gonna be putting up these custom DIY ornaments, which we made in a previous video. You guys already know that we're putting these pocket pops up, which we got from our Nightmare Before Christmas advent calendar. We're also gonna be putting up some normal size Funko Pops, which we'll be hanging them with some wire and just using the bendable twigs on the tree to also help us stand them up. So we're gonna be using these skeleton hands we got at Dollar Tree.
Christmas time?
watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
If you guys are interested in making your own Nightmare Before Christmas tree, check the links in our description for all the stuff you need, such as cobwebs, snow, and the Funko Pops. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe and stay tuned.